SQL Made Easy Webisode 5. What is the distinct keyword in SQL and how to use it? Suppose you have a dataset where you have duplicate values. Now you want to eliminate the duplicacy. How can you do this? This is when the distinct keyword comes into picture. The distinct keyword eliminates duplicate records from the results. Here we have the payments table where we have multiple payment transactions. Now of course one customer can have multiple payments. So there can be duplicate customer ID in this dataset. I want to find the unique customer ID. In order to achieve this, we will write the query in this way. Here we will write select, then we will use the distinct keyword. Now we need the distinct customer ID, right? So we will write select distinct customer ID from customer table. We will just select the query and we will click on execute. As you can see, we have the distinct customer ID, basically the unique customer IDs in front of ourselves. So we have neglected the duplicacy and we have the unique values. Want to simplify data analytics with SQL? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.